What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about the reference keyword, the ref keyword. You know, yeah. So welcome to the channel, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. All right, we're growing slowly but steady. All right, I did some notes over here where it says we use the ref keyword to pass an argument to a method by reference. Yeah, reference indicates to the compiler that the argument is being passed as a reference instead of a copy. Okay, we're going to see an example of this right here. We're going to create a variable, an int variable. Going to say val1. Yep, and then we're going to give a value of 10, and then the next one is going to be by val2, and then we're going to give this a value of 20. Okay, now right here we're going to do a test function. We're going to create a function, and we're going to pass that variable right here, val1. Yeah, we don't need that, but val1. Okay, and then we're going to say console the right lane. Yeah, we're going to pass the val1, right? Supposedly this value right here is going to be 10, right? 10. But let's create a function. We're going to say static void. We're going to say test function, and right here we're going to say int. Yeah, I'm going to say int um, arg arg1, and then we're going to say in here we want to use the arg variable arg1, and we're going to increase it by 10. Okay, and then we're going to say console. Okay, it already knows what we're going to be doing. So if we run this program right here, supposedly, so what is going to happen is this. So we're using this 10, right? So let's run the program. Okay, just take a second. Boom, we got 20 and 10. So what's happening is, so 10, that's the value of the variable, right? That integer right here. So we're passing right here, right? On this function, but this function already has 10, right? So plus 10, we're going to be increased. It's going to give us 20 total, right? But guess what happened? So outside of the function, the value of that variable is still 10. So that's why we are having. Let's go back right here. So we are having that 20 inside the function, and also that 10 outside the function. And that's when we use the the reference the reference parameter right here. So let's do this. So let's make a copy of this. Yes, make a copy of this right here, and also we're going to do another function. Okay, function 2. Let's copy this. So we got 2, right? So now, all right, so let's see, what are we missing? Okay, we got this function 2, this function 2. Okay, so now, so right here somehow on this function 2, it's not giving us, so we need to pass right here ref for val1. Oh, oh, come on, dude. Let's see. Arc. Oh yeah, it's because right here in this test function 2, we're going to do ref. Okay. So now, so in function 2, we're going to pass the ref for that parameter right here. So if we run the program, so we created this second function, test function 2, and we're using the reference keyword ref to this um, to this argument right here, to that integer, to that variable. So, and now with that, what it's going to give us is just the following. So let's wait, okay, boom, boom. So remember right here at the beginning, we were passing that the 10, right? Increases to 20, which is added to 20. But outside of the function, it gave us, it was only a 10. But now using the reference keyword, right? It gets apply 20 and 20. So outside the function too. So that's pretty much it, how we can use the reference keyword. Okay. Alright guys, hopefully this helped you out. And yeah, we're going to talk about next the out parameter. Okay. Take care and I will see you next. Okay. Have a good night. Okay. Bye bye.